For the Grade Passback tool, if you're using one category, the first thing you want to do is set up Infinite Campus. First thing we're going to do is click on Settings. You'll notice that there is a new link called Non-Campus Assignment Defaults. Click on it. Now you can actually set when assignments come over from Canvas, what category do you want them to go into? This only works with one category. So once you have set your total points and set your 9 weeks, click Save, and you have set up Infinite Campus for the Grade Passback tool with one category. If you're using multiple categories, you do not need to do this step. On the Canvas side, there are a few restrictions and guidelines that you must follow so that the Grade Passback tool will work. One is the assignment name must be 50 characters or fewer, just like in Infinite Campus. The course and any assignments must be published. Assignments must have an assigned due date, and it must be assigned to the entire course or section. So if you're cross-listing, you can apply it just to one section in your cross-listed courses. For the update of Canvas and Infinite Campus in August of 2023, you can now use multiple assignment categories to one assignment or to one category inside of Infinite Campus, or multiple categories in Canvas to multiple categories in Infinite Campus. But this must be set up on the Canvas side. So if you go and see, there's 2 assignment categories here. If you go to the 3 dots up in the upper right corner, you will see Sync to SIS categories. If you click on that, it will bring up the different categories that you have and all the courses that are assigned to that. You want to actually, if you're using just total points, put in total points in each one of these SIS categories, so they will all go into one category in Infinite Campus. If you are using multiple categories, you're going to assign that section or that category to the proper category in Infinite Campus. If you have the same exact spelling, it can be unassociated, or after you have synced at least one time, the new category will be there, and you can select it, scroll to the bottom, and sync those categories, and now the category will match what is in Infinite Campus. Let's talk about creating an assignment. You can create an assignment in 2 different methods. One is to use the plus button on your module. The other is to use the Assignments tab and click on the plus assignment button. We'll use the modules for our example. Click on the plus button. Make sure that you're in your assignment or quiz or whatever you're using. Click Create Assignment. Name that assignment. And add your item. Click on the item. Edit it. And now we're going to add some things in for our assignment. I put in my directions, add my points, change my submission type to whatever I would like it to be. Give it the due dates that I need to have for this assignment. And you don't need to have the bottom 2, which is your available and your until date, but you can put those in also. And last but not least, you need to make sure that you check the box for sync to SIS. Check the box to sync to SIS. If you don't want it to, leave that box unchecked. Save and publish. This puts the assignment on the list of things that can be synced. If I choose to not sync this or have it on the list, I can go to the Assignments tab and click this new button that allows me to uncheck or check to see whether it's on the sync list. You can grade your assignment in the speed grader just like you normally grade it. Or you can go to the gradebook, which I'm just going to go to the gradebook. Find my assignment. Once I find the assignment, I'm just going to add my grades in for the purpose of today. Once I have my assignment grades in, now we're ready to sync. Go to the Sync button and click Sync to SIS. As you can see, all of the assignments that are published and have the sync box checked are listed. If I don't want to sync them all or update the grades on all of them, I can uncheck the box and check just the assignment I want to sync today, or I can choose them all. Either one's fine. I'm going to post one. This is what comes up. It's scheduled so you can see the progress. You can also click the X just to get rid of it, but when you click on the scheduled, what you'll see is the sync progress, and you can see that it is completed already because it was just one assignment with 3 grades. If you need to refresh, you can refresh. It does not automatically refresh. You can also get to this by clicking on the Sync Grade Sync down there at the bottom left on your menu. Please use the following URL to access a list of LISs: https://bit.ly/3QLVZXJ.